So this time I want to show you how you can find a easy way resonance frequency of coil. So I have here a signal generator and oscilloscope. The signal generator, the signal is connected to the downside of the coil, and the probe is connected to the upside of the coil. So and you can find a resonance frequency tuning the frequency of going to the coil. The ground of the probe is connected to the ground of the signal generator. So the resonance frequency of this coil is 2.443 megahertz.